We're a video analytics company that is trying to take AI solution-based video management software and bring it into the physical environment. We are taking a standard device in the field, which is an RRFB, a rectangular rapid flashing beacon, and tying in our soffit unit. It is a lighting solution to be able to actually identify in the crosswalk a pedestrian traveling and being able to use our analytics to track them and help identify that vulnerable road user. The 5G capabilities instantly have a dramatic effect. We are able to actually notify through our software platform to an agency so they can actually act on that event. A lot of the solutions take eyesight away from the actual pedestrian. What we're doing is trying to bring that focus specifically into that area and illuminating that vulnerable road user. We are able to offer solutions real time as the event is occurring in the roadway and help a pedestrian traveling in the crosswalk.